This is a message from Orgy Inkling. Okay, so with the last video, it got cut short because I ran out of memory on my tablet, also known as my camera, my computer. So this is the part where Junior goes to the ballboard place, and then then you'll know what happens next. You can make me a fidget spinner for $70? What the heck? Okay, I guess I could just buy you a fidget spinner, but you're not my son. It's gonna make you cost a little bit more money. I just want a fidget spinner. I mean, I guess I could just get you it. I mean, you shouldn't trust strangers, bro.
This is not an educational YouTube channel.
Oh God. Oh, okay. Well, I could just make you a fidget spinner. Here we go. Give me a fidget spinner. Bam! Whoa, my fidget spinner! Thanks, dude! Yeah, you could go have fun with that. Yay! Guys, look what I have! Is that fidget spinner? Yeah, it's cool, right? I mean, you guys just said, like, a couple minutes ago that they were cool. They're not even cool anymore. You see these little controller thingies? Yeah. They're cooler than that, dude! Why? No! I just wanted to have a fidget spinner like you guys! Come on, where'd you put your fidget spinners? Oh, we threw them away, bro. Dad! The question of the day is, what would happen if controllers were cooler than fidget spinners? And also, what color is your favorite type of fidget spinner? And you guys have to guess what my favorite color fidget spinner is. And you could win some free merchandise.